In this video, we'll cover how to upload a document for e-signing inside your Atom software. First, you want to make sure that you are inside a client file, looking at the account docs section for the year and business type that you want to upload this document for. Next, you want to upload the document like how you normally would. You'd click on Add in the top right corner. It's going to pull up a new side menu where you can then choose the upload type. In this case, we're going to use Esign Form 8879 for the taxpayer. When I choose this, it automatically fills in Esign Client, which you can have this be turned on by default if you go to Admin, Category Types, Upload Types. It takes you to this page right here, and then you can see that for each of your upload types, you can set up a default Esign Client and default Esign Spouse, and you can turn these on to have those boxes be automatically checked. So you've selected your upload type. Client access should be set to full. Esign client is turned on. If we wanted the spouse to also e-sign this, we'd make sure this was checked as well. And then we have a predefined note here for the signature doc. You can select them here, or you can just manually type in this field if you wanted to. So you can upload that however you wish. And then to actually upload the file, you're going to click on Browse. You can click on Browse. It's going to pull up your device's document storage, and I'm just going to grab a file right here, open it. That grabs the document. You can also drag and drop a document into this drop files here box, so both will work. And then once you have set this up, click Save Close, and that then uploads your document for eSign. Now you can tell that a document has been uploaded for eSign given how there's this red X right here in the electronic signatures column. It says it's awaiting the e-signature of the client. Same thing on the side menu for your client file next to the account docs. It also has that red X right there. And then one other thing to keep in mind is that based on the upload type that you choose, for example, we chose Esign Form 8879, this upload type can automatically send out an email and a text to your client. And that is set up. If you go to, again, Admin, Category Types, Upload Types, that is going to be this envelope icon next to the upload type that you want to set this up for. So you click on this, and it's going to have a message here, and this will then be sent out to our client both through email and text. And basically the message, like, we just want to encourage them to log into the portal. Here's our link to our portal right here. And so we just want them to log into the portal to view the document and sign it. Now, some other things to keep in mind when uploading a document for eSign is the name and address section. The client will need to know, of course, their SOCH, first and last name, date of birth, and zip code when they are trying to e-sign this. They also need to know their PIN. Of course, you can give them a PIN just by typing one in here. PIN needs to be 5 digits long. And then, yeah, if you set the PIN up here, you will definitely need to let the client know what that PIN is. Now, the client can also request a PIN on the client portal, and then the software can automatically send them one. So you don't have to set this up here if you don't want to. Just make sure your clients know how to request a PIN. And then password, of course, is just what they need to log into the client portal with. And again, you can give them a password here. If you do, be sure to let them know. But if not, the client can request a password on the client portal. And pretty much when the client is trying to e-sign it, they just need to match the information exactly how it is inside the client file. So you need to match SOCH, first and last name, make sure that's spelled correctly, date of birth, PIN, and zip code. A couple final things that are good to know about uploading a document for eSign is that when you're adding the document for eSign, and say if the client access is set to no access, even though you've indicated for eSign, you're going to get a message that says that the document requires a signature, so you have to make sure the client has access to it. So that means just changing the access to full. So you're just getting a little pop-up there. Same thing if you don't know if, like, the address doesn't have, say, like, a zip code. We back that out, save that, and then try to re-upload this. You're going to get a message that says that you can't upload the document because there's no zip code in there. Right there. So kind of just serves as a little safety check to make sure that you're not missing any of the important information when it comes to uploading a document for eSign. And then finally, when your client does e-sign a document, you'd get a portal message that says that so-and-so has e-signed that document. But inside the client file on this page, you'll see that documents that were e-signed had this green check mark right here. It says it was e-signed by the client. And then you also have this printer icon that will then serve as the signature certificate that you can then print off if you were to click on this. But that is it for how to set up a document for e-signing. Be sure to reach out to app support if you have any questions. We would be happy to help you.